Welcome to in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go in with the new one to show you how you can do that to have more space, and just hold for a while your screen and you will see the widgets icon. Tap on the widgets icon, and here you can see all your available widgets that you can add on your screen. For example, we can go with the analog clock and just tap on the widget and drag it here on the position where you want to add the widget. For example, we can tap it here. Also, we can change the name of this widget by this way, and if you want, you can move the widget here on the screen or also between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it. Also, we can add one more widget here by the same way. For example, we can go with the calendar, just hold for a while the widget and, for example, put it here. Also, we can change the name by the same way of this widget. You can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon. And also, by the same way, you can remove the second widget too. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.